Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. In today's video is all about how to set up or create your Connect Wallet website without any code also and code free. Now this is how it is. This is wonderful. Now users can navigate this section. Users can click on Connect Wallet and continue, and it shows them different kind of section, which is nice. It also has almost all the wallet connects, and users can also come to this section and just click connect and follow up to the next prompt. So for example purpose, let me just show you guys how it is. So users will click on proceed. Now you can see how it is. So I want to show you guys how we're able to achieve this result. So ensure to stick to the end of this video to understand how we're able to get this. See you guys in the next segment. Hey guys, welcome back to the second segment of this video section on how to install your wallet phrase or connect website. Now I'm using cPanel for this video section. Just go straight to your file manager, and mine here is the public underscore HTML. If you're using an add-on domain, click on your add-on domain and upload. So I'll just go straight to where upload, and I'll select file. So this is my file. I'll click on this and click open. So while this is loading, now you can see my domain name here is empty. So this is empty. So while this is uploading, just go and create your company email. So I've created my company email already. So once you create your company email account, ensure to save your information on your notepad. So I've done mine. Okay. So our site has been uploaded successfully. So I'll exit this section, and I'll go back to my file manager and reload. Now extract. Good. So I'll reload this section. Let me just delete this. So let me go back to our site and reload. Good. Now you can see our website has been uploaded successfully. Now the next section you do, go back to your file manager, go to php mail.php and edit. So this is the main section. Now if you are using Hostinger, yours will be nshtp.hostinger.com. So once you create your email account, the very first information you get on your inbox is your webmail configuration settings. So I'll copy this outgoing server is your SMTP host. So I'll go back to my PHP mail and put it here, SMTP host. Then I'll copy my email name, which is here will be for the user, and my email password. So once you put it here, you scroll down and ensure you paste all your user name, which is your email name, everywhere. What you just have to do is you come here and Control F or Command F and ensure to just replace them all. You get it? If you scroll down, you're able to see your another email, and you just put, I don't want to show out audio codes. So after you've done this, just click what save changes. So I'll X here back, and so while user explore here, so I'll come and click on this section, which is connect wallet. Now it will bring a pop-up automatic manual backup. So I'll click connect, continue. So once you click connect wallet, it takes you to this section. Now you can see all the wallets here. So let me just use this for example purpose. So let me just pick anyone. Let me say Coinbase, for example. Now it shows you a pop-up. I'll click continue, connect. Then let me just fill out this. Let me say name of the wallet is for example purpose. So I'll click this as my email and my phrases. So after I've input my phrase, I'll click on proceed. Now you can see how it is. Now it takes you to this backup successfully, and users can also copy this. They can download this. You can see they can also regenerate this, which is nice. Once user click on return dashboard, it takes them here. Now this is it. Now you can see how it is here, right? Good. So this is a wonderful script. If you want to get this, please message me on WhatsApp. If this is your first time on YouTube platform, please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment. See you guys in the next video.